Hello and welcome. So in today's video, what we're going to do is we're going to learn how to create a Repl.it account or Repl. So let's get started. All right, so as we said earlier, we want to create a new Repl.it account. So in order to do that, we're going to go to Repl.it, or rather, we're going to go to Repl.it or Repl.it. Once we're here, we can go ahead and come to the upper right-hand side where there's a sign up button. We click that button. And then we have a few different ways to create an account. One would be to add a username, email, and password. You can do a single authentication via GitHub, Facebook, or what we're going to choose to do is Google. So I'm going to click this button here. And then because I'm already logged in to a single Google account, our account is colearnable, it will log in, and then you'll have an account ready, up and running to go. So you could then come here and create a new REPL. You could choose your language, so on and so forth. So let's say we chose Node. Let's give it a name, test123. We will create a public REPL, and then we could start coding here. All right, so that's how you create an account in Repl.it. If you have any questions or comments, please add them in the comments section below. Feel free to subscribe so that you can catch future videos. And either way, have a great day, and we'll see you soon. Cheers.